Bobby said shut up. I'm just translating.
Right here, Brian's here.
Is everybody having a good time? Is everybody having a good time? Yeah! Come on, guys. Come on. A little louder than that. All right. I prepared a little speech. Nothing crazy. Someone actually wrote it for me. Loves me very much. All right. It says like this. She knows me very well, so it comes from the heart. All right. I want to take this moment. Guys, please. I'm having a moment here. I want to take this moment to thank my team for believing in me and the vision to take us to the next level. Thank you for being game changers, for knowing that we could do this together, for listening to all my crazy ideas and be willing to be part of it. Thank you, Bobby and Andy, for taking the gamble on this guy, me. I will forever be indebted because of your support. A year ago, I decided to make a change, and even though the success has been unbelievable thus far, I wanted to acknowledge that it hasn't been easy on the road. For those watching, it's so important to believe in yourself and surround yourself with people who believe in you 10 times more. It is exactly the 10 times mentality that I know that values us further. In 2019, we're willing as a team to put in 10 times the effort. I know you guys will. Most players out there. And as I stand in this room, I become overwhelmed with emotions to know how blessed I am to have you all and beyond excited to see the dream to make it come true and challenges that we overcome, incredible team that we are. I want you to raise your glasses. We don't have any glasses right now. But 2019, brace yourself for game changers, guys. Game changers! So, from the bottom of my heart, I love you all. I know that, we have a vision, and me and this guy sat down and everybody said, this is the worst duo. They'll never make it. They're both Capricorns. They both can't stand each other. Yeah, so just to show you, okay, that we don't care what the naysayers say. Well, when you put a plan in place, and this man right here said it right, when it comes from the heart, nothing can stop us, guys. Nothing can stop us. And this is a dream team. Alright? This is your building that you guys created in just 1 year. So can you imagine what we're going to do in 2019? So I'm so excited and blessed to have Andy and Bobby, okay, in my life. I love you guys. I really, really do. I have you guys in my dreams a lot. So, not like that, lady. Not like that, lady. Not like that. So, alright, so.
In a good way.
In a good way. His dream is to get 8 franchises. This is the team who's going to get it for him, alright? Give it up for Bobby and Andy, guys. Alright? Bobby! Say something.
How are you guys? You guys have a Patronn over here. You guys don't have to worry about it. Alright. I want to say thank you to everybody for being here tonight. This is your night, guys. Right?
Yeah.
I want you guys to enjoy it. We're going to have some raffles over here for everybody around.
All right.
I want to say thank you to Rudy for being with me for a year. We did a lot, and it's a lot more coming, guys.
Yeah.
You guys are going to be surprised. A lot of you. You're going to be big surprises coming 2019, all right? I want to say thank you to the managers and the whole team of Broken Mitsubishi.
Yeah.
Everybody and my wife for keeping up with me. So, I want to say thank you to all of you guys. I want to wish to you and your families Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. And next year, we're going to make big things happen.
Capricorn can't move. We love you, Bobby. We love you, Bobby.
That's the American way. The optional way is the American way. That's right. Big static, guys. Just remember that. Do you know that?
Yes,
What do you
sir.
say?
31.
Okay, here you go. You give it back to me, all right?
And
Here we go. We'll set up a little quick auction. Instead of paying out $3 grand, have it at 31. Have it at 31. Have it at 32. Have it at 33. Have it at 34. Have it at 35. Have it at 35. nowhere, and here we are again. Okay, and one thing I want to clarify, guys. It was never a gamble with my friend Rudy. Okay, I knew where it was going to be. Okay, it happened on a Thursday evening at about 8:30, spying on this location. Okay, and Rudy knows what I'm talking about.
Yes.
And I said to him, when do you want to start? He says, tomorrow morning. Okay, time is up. And we had a meeting, and I said, one thing only. There's a new sheriff in town. Yeah! His name is Patronn!
We love you, Mr.
Okay, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Thank you. And 2019 will be a kick-ass. And we are going to be there with you. And I hope you'll be there with us. Okay? Thanks again.
Mr. Andy, I just want to say,
Guys, hello everybody. Hold on 1 second. I have one question. One question. Are you guys ready?
yes!
Who made it happen?
Rudy Mitsubishi!
Come on, guys. Come on. Really? One more time. Who made it happen?
Rudy Mitsubishi!
Brooklyn Mitsubishi. Who made it happen? And Patronn.
Alright guys, we're gonna do a little raffle. We got some stuff for you guys, for everyone obviously. Yeah, we're gonna obviously cut the ribbon and you know, we wanna get that in camera with Pete, so you wanna do it?
Let's go!
You do it! It's your story. Hey, you gotta take a picture of this, guys. You gotta take a picture of this. 1, 2, 3, yeah! We are officially open for business, guys. Alright, grand opening on the way. We are so excited for this store. We got so much plans, guys. We've been planning this thing for 6 months. I mean, websites, you name it. Unbelievable. I mean, sleepless nights, you know, and we go back and forth. We always fight about it. No, I want this color, I want that color. But at the end, we'll make it work some way, somehow. And you guys stuck by us, and you know, it's important because you gotta have someone that obviously is there for you all the time. And this place is a family. This is like a feel like a family, and I don't ever want that to go away. It starts from Bobby and Andy, and we're gonna continue to do it the same way. So everybody that joins Rudy Mitsubishi, you know, at the end of the day, we make it happen, right? We gotta check this sometimes, but we still love you, and we gotta do what we gotta do. So, all right. So 2019, we're gonna rock out, guys. All right, you guys excited or what?